Hi Ekidnas! Today we're going to learn how to make a gold leaf painting. It doesn't look like much yet, but with my paintbrush I can reveal a happy sun. To make your foil painting, you'll need a piece of black cardboard or thick paper, some gold leaf. You can also get silver leaf and some other metals. And you'll need some PVA glue and a paintbrush. You'll also need some water, and I like to use a pipette to mix water into my glue. Now give that glue and water a good mix. How thick should the glue be? That's a great question, Celeste. It should be like a runny paint that you can spread easily on the page. So let's plan our masterpiece. For this you'll just need a lead pencil. Can you guess what I'm going to draw, Celeste? Let me give you a hint. They love to swim. That's right. I'm drawing a fish. When you think about what you want to draw, try and think of something that is easy to make with simple lines, because we have to be able to paint over these lines with glue. Celeste, do you have any idea what you'd like to paint? While Celeste plans her drawing, I'm going to get my foil ready, placing it gently next to my painting. Be very careful because it's very, very delicate. And now it's time to start painting glue onto my drawing. I want to paint a nice thick line of glue over every line of pencil. I'll paint the lips and outline my fish, and then I'm going to paint my scales. It's good to have a texture like scales in your drawing because then it will be super shiny at the end. Now I paint my eye and my fins, and even my tail. Now I'm going to add some last details. I'm just going to put a little spot of glue on every scale and add some spots around the face, making it look more three-dimensional. Thanks, Celeste! I'm glad you think my fish is cute. Now I'm going to take my piece of gold leaf very carefully and lay it over my glue fish. You can already see some of the lines where it's sticking to the glue. Don't worry if it gets a bit folded or crumpled, just very carefully flatten it. And if your corners get stuck underneath like mine, you can use a pencil to pull the corner out. And you can use that very same pencil to make sure that everything is stuck down properly, rolling it gently like a little rolling pin. And just roll that in the other direction, just to make sure that the foil is stuck properly to the glue. And I think I'll roll it just one more time until I'm pretty sure that it's stuck really well. And now we have to let it dry. So I let my foil painting dry overnight, And now I'm using a very soft brush to brush away the excess foil. And once I've revealed the outline of the fish, I'm going to use some little brush strokes to reveal the details. That's a great question, Celeste. You can press quite hard with your paintbrush and apply a bit of pressure when you're wiping away your foil. And now I'm done. I'm just tidying up the bits of gold dust. And there you have it, my foil fish. How did you go, Celeste? Wow, what a beautiful rainbow! So whether you decided to draw a rainbow like Celeste, or a sun, a fish, or even something completely different, I hope you've had a great time making gold leaf paintings. Thanks for crafting with us today. See you next time!